Hey, hey, hey! Pofy, Mimi, what's the time? Let's find out! Hey, hey, hey! Tick tock, clock, clock, don't stop. Big hand, small hand, time, time, let's rock. Tick tock, look and learn. Tick tock, Pofy, Mimi, time, time, time. Pofy says, what is this? Round, round clock, look like this. Numbers 1 to 12 in line. Clock tells us time, time, time. Point, point, round and round.
Why does the clock have numbers? So we can read time every hour. Let's learn more.
Mimi says, small hand see. Hey, small hand says, hour to me. Hey, small hand slow, moves real neat. Hour hand, short and sweet. Small hand slow, hour go, go.
If small hand is on 3, it's 3 o'clock. Yay!
Pofy says, big hand there. Hey, big hand moves everywhere. Hey, big hand fast, goes around. Minute hand, big sound. Big hand fast, minute blast.
So big hand counts minutes? Yes! Fast and quick every minute. We're getting smarter.
Mimi says, look and see. Big hand round, 1, 2, 3. When big hand comes back to 12, 1 hour gone. Time moves well. Round and back, clap, clap, clap.
Round and back, clap, clap, clap.
Pofy says, big hand 12. Hey. Small hand points, number tells. Hey. 5 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Read the time, you are smart.
6 o'clock, time to play. 9 o'clock, start the day. We use time every day for school and games and play.
Turn around, jump, jump, jump. Point the clock, stop.